Boeing 787放奖飞机。Ladies and gentlemen, this is cabin message speaking. Welcome for Airline, Boeing 787 Dreamliner.
This is a comprehensive review of Xiamen Airline from...
you haven't experienced the whole flight yet?
Yeah.
You should do a review after.
No, I don't think so. I can't do it. I can't say this now and then I do the whole video.
Where's the flight? Oh, here.
From Amsterdam to Xiamen. First of all, this flight is full of my fellow Chinese. I think 80% are Chinese. And this airplane has... I have my earphone, and the audio is gonna be amazing. The charger is... this airplane have charger. You can charge your phone, and there's also a USB port. I haven't tested it yet. Hope it's gonna work. Also down the seats there's a plug, but it's Chinese standard. If you want to use it, you have to get a adapter, or you can use Chinese electronics. This airplane also have Wi-Fi, but I connected to it, but it doesn't work. So I don't know what's gonna happen. Also, this flight now is like delayed for 5 minutes, which is very bad because I have another transfer flight after we arrive Xiamen, so there's only 2.5 hours. So I think it's very enough for me. I am not engaged. I want to, yeah, comprehensive review is like you also tell people about your first impression.
Yeah, no.
So that's my first impression. Yeah, I already gathered some thought and I want to talk to people. The air attendants are super nice, super duper nice, and really good looking as well. That's true. The window also have a really cool function. It's like the buttons, and if you like push it down to the last bit, and the glass is actually gonna change color. I don't know if you can see clearly. Actually, the color is now already changed, and if you put it to the top, you can't actually see this effect in this camera. It can be bad actually. Yeah, because my first flight to come to Amsterdam is operated by KLM, which is a Dutch airline. So they have very big air legroom. So compared with Xiamen Airline, like Xiamen Airline doesn't have really a long legroom actually. What else I want to talk about? Oh yeah, they also give you like pillows and mattress. What do you call this? They also give you pillows and blanket. You will see like blanket when you actually they're already on the seats basically, which is really nice. I really like blanket because it's always really cold when the airplane take off. Now we're going to take off. Goodbye, Amsterdam.
大马航空波音787放奖飞机。Ladies and gentlemen, this is cabin message speaking. Welcome for Airline, Boeing 787 Dreamliner. 本架飞机在客舱内共有8个应急出口，分别为客舱的前部、中部。
I'm trying to watch a film, but there's advertise before you can watch your film. That's the advertise. But there's one thing really cool. It's the window. So now I can see all the outside, but you press the button to the lowest, and then it's gonna change color into like super dark blue. Can you see that? The window over there is like completely blue. Okay, now it's like our window also become like blue, which is really cool, I think. According to the map, we are now in Denmark. You can use your phone all the way during the flight. And I tried to connect to the Wi-Fi, but it's not working. I don't know how it works. But if you want to switch on your phone, you have to put it on airplane mode. Yeah. Yo, this is the coolest thing. I have met a Danish person, and he said all the islands in Denmark is like connected by the bridge. And here's the bridge. This is definitely amazing. I wanted to visit this country actually. So cool. I'm not playing the game on this airplane. It's Go Bull Snake, and I don't know how to get a start. Okay, that's the first one. Game loading, please wait. And you got a really good controller here. From the is it like started? I'm gonna try to play it. Don't know what to do. Oh, the controller. The controller actually is really shit. I don't think it's responding very well. Or I'm just a really rubbish player. Oh, I got one. I got it. This game is, I think, it's rubbish, to be honest. It's not even a game. I actually prefer racing game, but I didn't find any. How should I get over here? What? Oh, that's how it works. Oh shit. I did. I'm gonna show you the film on this airplane. You got Harry Potter, this. Sorry, it's Chinese, but you can actually change it to English. Yeah, you go back to the main menu, you can change Chinese, English, Korean probably, Japanese, and French. No, not French, I don't know French. English. Yeah, you got a movie like this. I got Hollywood, Chinese movies, cartoon, games, and there's stuff for children, game for children, music for children, hot cartoon for children, which is really nice. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. But one really annoying thing about the film is like you watch it and you pause. First every time you like switch on a film, it's gonna be ad first, which is really super annoying. And what most annoying thing is when you pause it, there's gonna be an advertise, and then when you press play again, it's not gonna work because actually you have to dismiss the advertise, which is I think really super duper rubbish, but still better than nothing. You got a really nice controller and a really cool window, by the way. Now we're having dinner, I think. I'm quite hungry. Later we're gonna see what's gonna have the dinner. That's the annoying bit. I paused the film, and when you click play, there's no response. If you click on the button, still no response. The thing is, you have to dismiss this advertise, and then you get your film, which is really rubbish. But we're gonna have lunch now. I think it's dinner. Yeah, it's dinner. We have got our food, which is all the same. I'm gonna take all her food. Am I? Hey guys, I'm Trevor. Start. Hey guys, this is Trevor James. Today we are going on to Xiamen Airline. We are going to taste the Sichuan chili chicken. I don't know. Let's eat. Okay, this is just joking about one of my favorite YouTuber, Foot Ranger. You can check his video. Link in the description. And now we're gonna eat our dinner, which is like fish. The name of the meal is called fish. So we got this. This is very hot. We got the salad. We got, I don't know, cake. We got another salad, bread. What's this? Butter. Because there's only fish left, and so many customers, like passengers, are complaining about everything because they want more choices, but they only have fish, which is very disappointing. Okay, I'm gonna eat now. Wow, this looks pretty nice, I think. I'm gonna put it here. And that's your knife and fork. You can actually get Chinese meal, but they don't have it today. I don't know why. Because today actually our plane is a little bit delayed. So, oh yeah, and also, if you want an extra meal, you can just talk to the flight attendants, and they're gonna give you an extra one, which the lady sitting in front of me just get an extra one. I'm gonna try it. It's really chewy. The fish is, yeah, it's really nice. It's really delicious. I've never ever had like super delicious meal like this on an airplane in a economic class. I think this is the best economic food I've ever had. This is super good. This is the review of the toilet in this airplane. The toilet is really small. It's actually super small, so you can't have sex here. Finally get our second dinner, or yeah, because of the shaking is really bad. Actually, it cost like an hour for us to get the food. After you enter like middle Siberia, the shaking is like really bad, and you can't use toilet, you can't get food. But anyway, we already got our food, which is pretty decent, and luckily this time they have two choices for you. You can have this is mine, it's pork rice, and that's chicken mashed potato, I think. And we're gonna try how's the food. Let's eat. My food. Almost, but it tastes super duper nice. It's definitely the best food I've ever had in economic class. It's really delicious. I love it. And that's the chicken potato, mashed potato you can get. Looks nice. Can I try a little bit?
No.
Okay. Just try a little bit of the chicken potato, mashed potato. It's basically like baby food. Tastes very nice. Also, what I want to say that the flight attendants on this Xiamen airline is definitely the best air attendants I've ever met before. I've been flying with Chinese airline, American airline, Iranian airline, Russian airline, and this is definitely the best. For example, if you want extra food, you can literally just tell the flight attendants you want extra food, and they won't give you immediately. But if there's some food left, they definitely gonna get back and give you extra food, so you can get a lot of food if you want, which is like impossible in another airline. And the food here is like brilliant. Also, they really actually care about the passengers. The lady is behind me. She's like a little bit stomachache, and she want that to like change her seat to some like, not, this plane is not like always full up, so there will be some like empty seats, and she want like 3 empty seats together, and she want to lie down there. But the flight attendants refuse that, but because it's basically too much, I think. But she still like bring her a water ball like full of hot water to like warm her stomach up, which is gonna be really helpful. I think that's definitely really good of these flight attendants. They're really like polite. They always try to help you. Always try to explain everything. And also about the Wi-Fi, I asked the flight attendants. They said you actually have to register on WeChat or other, like maybe their official website, and you have to get a code to actually use the Wi-Fi. And you can only get the code before you boarding or like you have to do it before. If you're already on the airplane, you can't do it anymore. Yeah, that's my thought about the flight attendants. We are about to land in like 52 minutes, and they gave us a very nice towel, and so we can clean up our really oily, tired face, which can make you wake up. And after the long distance flight, you definitely need to like clean up your face, which is really good. They also give us a cup of tea and some bread, which is really nice. I never ever have flew with a airline that they give you towel to clean your face before landing, which is very nice. Sometimes. But I have to say something negative about this flight. The cabin, the walking way is actually very small, and there's no place to do some exercise, because at the back it's just the working place for the attendants, so there's no place for you to like stretch yourself, make yourself comfy. So actually it's quite uncomfy, especially like an hour before I was super uncomfortable. Just really bad, feel really bad actually. And yeah, the plane is definitely a little bit too small, but overall I think it's still really amazing trip. Thumbs up, Xiamen Airline. Definitely recommend it because it's definitely really good.
Welcome first. Line Boeing 787 Dreamliner。本架飞机在客舱内共有8个应急出口，分别为客舱的前部、